All right, for question 17, they give us this a lot of information here. Okay, so we have this picture, right? So and then it says when designing a stairway, an architect can use a Reiser-Church formula, 2h plus d equal to 25, where h is the riser height in inches and d is the tread depth in inches. Okay, for any given stairway, the riser height are the same and the tread depth are the same for all the steps in that stairway. All right, the number of steps in the stairway is the number of the risers. For example, there are 5 steps in the stairway in the figure above. The total rise of stairway is the sum of the riser height as shown in the figure. Okay, so pretty much we're trying to design a little staircase here, right? So we have the total rise, right, is the total for all the risers, right? Each individual step here, we have the height will be the riser height, right? And the tread depth will be the horizontal distance going across. Okay, so what we have here is for number 17. All right. Which of the following expresses the riser height in terms of the tread depth? Okay. So what we have here is gonna be, we know pretty much it gives us all those information, but the only formula that we have is this formula, right? So it'd be 2h plus d equal 25. So we know chances are we're gonna use this formula here, right? Okay, so because that's the only thing they told us. All right, so this formula relates the h and the d value pretty much. Okay, 2h plus d had to equal 25. All right, so now let me zoom in a little bit. For question 17 is, so pretty much what we're trying to do is we're trying to solve for h, right? If you look at the answer choices, right, they have h equal to something, h equal to something, right? So we're trying to get h by itself, right? So then that will give us a riser height in terms of the other stuff, okay? So yeah, so we're solving for h. So it's like a rearranging equation trying to get h by itself. Okay, so what would be the first step then? All right, so right now we have a 2h plus d equals 25. So in order to solve for h, right, we want to get h by itself, we do have to get the 2h by itself first. So what we can do here, we can do a minus d on both sides. Okay, let's get 2h equal to 25 minus d. Okay, so get rid of the plus d first by subtracting d on both sides. All right, and now if you want to solve for h, try to get rid of the 2. All right, so we want to cancel out 2, we have to divide it by 2. And also recognize dividing by 2 is same as times 1/2, right? If you look at the answer choices, right, it has a 1/2 in front. So instead of divide by 2, let's just gonna do times 1/2. It's the same thing, okay? But then this will help us match with the answer choices. We know it should be 25 minus c times 1/2, which is same as 1/2 times 25 minus d, okay? And do we have that? Yes, that's the answer choice B for number 17, and that will be the final answer for this one.